Antonov An-225 Mriya, the legendary giant of the skies. Introduction: A Dream in the Sky. The Antonov. An-225 Mriya, widely regarded as the largest aircraft ever built, is a symbol of human ingenuity, engineering prowess, and ambition. Mriya, meaning dream in Ukrainian, is an appropriate name for a plane that defies conventional limits. From its conception in the 1980s, it was designed to transport colossal cargo, making it an irreplaceable asset in the global aviation industry. Sadly, this aviation marvel was damaged during the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. And while it may not soar through the skies today, its legacy and story remain awe-inspiring. In this research, we will explore the history, development, and operations of the An-225 Mriya, while delving into the technical specifics, unique missions, and its ultimate fate, history and development. The An-225 was born from necessity. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, the Soviet Union was engaged in its space race, developing the Buran space shuttle to rival NASA's Space Shuttle program. However, the Soviets faced a logistical challenge, transporting the shuttle and its components from the manufacturing site to the launch area. Traditional rail or road transport was inadequate for such a massive cargo. The Antonov Design Bureau, based in Ukraine, was tasked with creating a solution, leveraging their experience from the successful An-124 Ruslan, a massive cargo plane in its own right. They designed an even larger aircraft, the An-225. The project officially began in 1984, and the An-225 Mriya made its maiden flight on December 21, 1988. The Antonov An-225 was designed primarily to transport the Buran shuttle on its back. In addition, the aircraft was meant to transport large payloads that no other aircraft in the world could handle. The design featured 6 turbofan engines, a unique twin-tail structure, and 32 wheels for optimal weight distribution. The An-225 was in essence a flying colossus, and it immediately became the pride of Soviet aviation. Key technical specifications: wingspan 88, 4 meters, 290 feet, length 84 meters, 275, 6 feet, height 18 feet. Cargo capacity 250 tons, max takeoff. Weight 640 tons, engines 6 Ivchenko. Progress D18T turbofans. Cruising speed 800 kilometers mph, 500 miles per hour. Range 15,400 kilometers, 9,570 miles, with no cargo. Significantly reduced with full load Crew 6. These specifications make it clear why the An-225 remains an unmatched feat of aerospace engineering. No other plane can match its payload capacity, and even the largest contemporary cargo planes fall short of its massive proportions. Design innovations. The An-225's design was groundbreaking for its time. While borrowing elements from the An-124 Ruslan, it incorporated several unique features. 6 engines. Most large aircraft use 4 engines, but the An-225 required 6 turbofan engines to provide the necessary thrust to lift its colossal weight. Twin-tail design. To accommodate the Buran shuttle on its back, the An-225 featured a split tail, providing stability and control even with large, unwieldy cargo mounted atop it. Landing gear. The 32-wheel landing gear system was meticulously designed to handle extreme weight loads, allowing it to take off and land safely, even with maximum payloads. Cargo hold. The An-225's cargo hold was vast, capable of transporting up to 250 tons of goods. It was designed to carry oversized loads such as heavy industrial machinery, wind turbine components, and large generators. Major missions and notable flights. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, the An-225 no longer had a direct role in the space program, as the Buran shuttle project was canceled. However, the aircraft was repurposed for commercial cargo transport, filling a niche market for oversized cargo that no other plane could accommodate. Some of the An-225's most memorable missions include transport of generators for power plants. The An-225 played a critical role in transporting large generators to power plants around the world. This was essential in situations where shipping by sea would have been too slow. Humanitarian aid. The aircraft was often called upon in the wake of natural disasters, transporting massive quantities of supplies like food, water, and medical equipment to regions in crisis. One of its notable missions was delivering humanitarian aid to Haiti after the 2010 earthquake, COVID-19 pandemic relief. During the pandemic, the An-225 became a vital asset in the global supply chain, delivering medical supplies, protective gear, and other essentials across continents at a time when speed was crucial. One of the plane's most famous flights occurred in 2009 when it transported a 187 6-ton generator from Germany to Armenia, setting a world record for the heaviest single cargo item ever transported by air, commercial success, and financial challenges. Though the An-225 was irreplaceable for certain cargo transport jobs, its operations were often limited due to its size, maintenance costs, and the niche market it served. The aircraft required specialized maintenance, and with only one model in operation, Antonov had to allocate considerable resources to keep it airworthy. Despite these challenges, the An-225 remained a moneymaker for Antonov Airlines. Companies that needed to transport exceptionally large cargo often had no other option, which allowed Antonov to charge a premium for its services. However, the An-225 was also expensive to operate. Fuel, maintenance, and crew costs were substantially higher than for conventional cargo planes, limiting its profitability to a handful of specialized missions each year. The tragic end. In February 2022, during the early days of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the Antonov An-225 was severely damaged at Hostomel Airport near Kiev. The airport became a battleground, and the aircraft, which was undergoing maintenance at the time, was caught in the crossfire. The destruction of the An-225 was a significant blow, not just to Antonov but to the global aviation industry. Efforts are being made to rebuild the aircraft, but this would be a colossal undertaking, requiring significant investment and the recovery of essential parts, many of which may no longer be available. The loss of the An-225 is a poignant reminder of the fragility of even the greatest human achievements. The dream may have been grounded, but it will forever remain a symbol of what is possible when ambition and technology come together. The An-225's legacy. The Antonov An-225 Mriya was more than just an airplane. It was a symbol of human engineering's ability to defy gravity and limits. Its legacy stretches across continents, cultures, and industries. For over 3 decades, the An-225 was a marvel in the aviation industry. Its sheer size and capabilities inspired awe and admiration wherever it flew. It became a symbol of the Soviet Union's space ambitions, and later a commercial asset for Antonov Airlines, capable of hauling loads that no other plane could handle. Beyond its commercial value, the An-225 has inspired the next generation of aerospace engineers. Even in its final days, the aircraft was a beacon for innovators, showing what was possible with the right combination of technology, vision, and determination. Conclusion: a dream that lives on. Though the Antonov An-225 Mriya may no longer soar through the skies, its story is far from over. Aviation enthusiasts around the world continue to celebrate its legacy, and the possibility of its restoration remains a topic of hope. The An-225 wasn't just an aircraft. It was a testament to human innovation, a machine built to break barriers and defy expectations. The dream may have been grounded, but it will forever soar in the hearts and minds of those who witnessed its grandeur. Enjoyed learning about the incredible Antonov An-225 Mriya? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights into aviation wonders and engineering marvels. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite fact about this legendary aircraft.